We are at the hotel in Fort Lauderdale. We got our welcome drink.
A little sangria.
Little sangria.
Very tasty.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it too. Cheers. Today in this video, we're going to show you the W Hotel, Fort Lauderdale Beach. And if you happen to be on a cruise, this may be a place to stay.
Especially if you're here a day before, a day after. Get to enjoy the beach.
We're going to show you this hotel. So stick around. You ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's start with some quick facts about the hotel itself. The W Fort Lauderdale was completed and opened in 2009. The property consists of 2 towers, each with 24 floors. Together, the towers house a mix of 346 hotel rooms and 171 private residences. The hotel is modern, stylish, and full of amenities, including 2 restaurants, a boutique shops, and bars. For cruisers, it's incredibly convenient, just about 10 minutes from Fort Lauderdale's Hollywood International Airport and only 5 to 7 minutes from Port Everglades Cruise Terminal, making it easy to start or end your trip stress-free. Now let's move into the hotel. On the bottom level, you'll find the restaurants and a bar, the boutique. This is where the hotel really shines for a quick bite, casual shopping, or just relaxing before heading out to explore the city or board a cruise. They really have an amazing happy hour. It's not very well advertised, so make sure you ask. Heading up to level 2, you'll find the conference center. It's well equipped for business meetings, events, and even small gatherings, making it an excellent choice for corporate travelers. Next, we're on level 4, where the main hotel lobby and check-in area are located. This level also features a bar, multiple workspaces, and seating areas, plus access to the front patio, perfect for enjoying the Florida sunshine or watching the city go by. This area gives the hotel a vibrant, welcoming vibe the moment you step in. If you're enjoying this tour so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Hubbards Journey. We've got plenty more hotel tours and cruise tips coming your way. Moving up to level 5, you'll find the fitness area and pool. At the time of our visit, the pool area was being renovated, but this level typically offers plenty of space for guests to unwind, stay active, or soak up the sun in style. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, let's head up to floor 17 and check out our room 1724. We are at the W Hotel in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and the beach is just right across the street. But before we get to the beach, we're going to show you this room, 1724 in the W Hotel. You got a key card, you swipe the key card, and then you come on in. Come on in, check it out, check it out. Check out the bathroom. We've got 2 towels, hand towel. We've got a blow dryer. I wonder what kind of blow dryer that is. Do you think that's one of those high quality blow dryers? Let's see, let's open that up. Yeah, it's just a Conair 875, not a great blow dryer. So if you're big into blow drying your hair, you may want to bring your hair dryer, because I don't think that 875 is that great of a blow dryer. Hey, but you have one in case of a pinch. And you've got storage down below. And you got 2 more towels. You got hand wash, you've got lotion, 2 face cloths, tissues, water. Now the bar of soap over here. Lots of counter space, a mirror, a full-length mirror, a magnifying mirror, kind of loose. There's a thing here that maybe you can do it, but it's loose. Let's take a look at the rest of this bathroom. You've got a full tub. No wand, it's a rain shower head, but no shower wand. 2 additional towels, and you've got all kinds of stuff here. Shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo, and an additional face cloth. And you've got a couple of storage hooks right here. We've got a robe, toilet paper, toilet. Ooh. We got a backup plan and a trash can. Seat to dry off your legs, I'm guessing. Over here you've got this big closet, huge closet, real big closet. Ironing board, luggage rack, storage, more storage. Drawer's a little iffy. And you got a safe, all kinds of storage. You got hangers, more hangers. Not a lot of hangers, but you've got enough, I would think. All right, let's go take a look at the room. You've got this huge mirror. Let's go check out the room. Wow, will that look fancy or what? Queen size bed, end table with 2 plugs. Storage, reading light. Thermostat, more outlets, TV, nice working space, telephone, coffee maker, more water, bottles of booze, all for an additional fee, of course. None of that stuff's free. Nothing's free. Down here you've got a bar, a refrigerator that I can't open. Over here you have this beautiful couch with the table. You charge your phone on there if you have one of those old iPhones. Storage, you've got 2 USBs, 1 US plug, and another reading lamp. Let's go outside, check out outside. This is where this room really brings a lot to the table. This balcony. 2 chairs, a table, and you've got views of the canal area, and you've got views of this hotel right across the street, which is a Hilton. You've got views of the Atlantic Ocean on the east coast of Florida, Fort Lauderdale, and right there's the beach. Now, this hotel comes with the umbrellas and chairs down there. Well, those umbrellas and chairs are
Included in your resort fee.
How much is the resort fee?
$30 a day, resort fee.
That's our full tour of the W Fort Lauderdale Hotel. If you enjoyed this tour and found it helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Hubbards Journey, and click the bell so you don't miss any of our future hotel tours, cruise tips, and travel guides. Thanks for watching, but there's more to explore.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button
so you never miss any adventures.
Click on one of these videos to keep the journey going.
And this is where I say ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.